Welcome to Callawegin Fly Fishing with Robert Smart. Now, here's Robert.
Greetings. Now in this video, I'm going to tie the Royal Wulff. Now it was a derivation from the Royal Coachman, which was created back in the late 1800s. A gentleman by the name of Wulff modified the fly to make it more robust, better in fast water. He used a hair tail and hair wings to beef the thing up. Now, this fly is kind of nostalgic for me. Back when I was a kid, we didn't have 1,000 cable channels for TV. We had 3 channels, ABC, NBC, and CBS. And there were very few hunting and fishing shows on TV back then. But once a week, my dad and my brother and I would sit down to watch The American Sportsman. It was hosted by Kurt Gowdy, and he used to have Wulff on that show. Wulff also wrote articles in Outdoor Life. I don't know about Field and Stream, but they were basically the 2 hunting and fishing magazines we had. So it kind of brings back fond memories to me of watching Kurt Gowdy and Wulff on American Sportsman with my dad. My dad wasn't much of a fly fisherman. He wasn't at all. If you couldn't put a snap swivel on the line, he wasn't interested. But he did catch fish. So anyway, here we go. We're going to tie the Royal Wulff. Okay. We're going to tie the Royal Wulff. Okay, first step is the wings. Put some deer hair in the stacker. And good and even. Want them to be about body length long, maybe a hair less. Build a dam up in front of them to help keep them pointed up. Cinch this down a little tighter now. Trim them off at something like an angle. Now, a lot of guys will go through and separate those hairs to make a wings out of them, and they'll kind of loop them as if they were tying a post. I'm not going to go to that extent. I'm just going to put a couple of cross ties in the middle. That will kind of separate them a little. Something like that. Okay. I'm going to take some moose hair for the tail. And I don't need a lot of it. Put that in the stacker. I like moose hair for the tail. It's stiffer than deer hair. And it tends not to flare. And tie that right on top. Get all of them. There. And after trimming them, it kind of matches up with the ends of the wing. Makes the body fairly even. Okay. Now, I'll take a piece of peacock. Try to find a fairly bushy one. Bring that forward a little bit. Trim that off. Okay, next, take a piece of floss, red floss. Come on. Wings out of the way.
that forward. Okay, now we take another piece of peacock, bring that forward. Trim that off. Okay. Now take my hackle. Anchor that. Bring that forward. Finish off the head and whip finish. And some stragglers. And there we have it. Royal Wulff. Bushy attractor fly.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe.